हेलो एंड वेलकम टू स्टडी एमबीए इंडिया। वंस अगेन मैं आप लोगों के लिए आ गया हूँ कैट 19 के प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस को लेकर के। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था 1 to 10 एंड देन आई प्रॉमिस्ड कि एवरी डे मैं एक एक क्वेश्चंस जो है वो डिस्कस करते चलूंगा। सो अगेन स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग यहाँ से। माय नेम इज अभिजीत कुमार सिन्हा एंड आई एम योर क्वांट फैकल्टी, राइट? सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. So it says that with rectangular axis, coordinates of the number of paths from 1 1 to 8 10 via 4 6, where each step from any point xy is either x comma y plus 1 or to x plus 1 comma y. That means what? या तो एक स्टेप हम फॉरवर्ड होंगे x एक्सिस और एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड होंगे टुवर्ड्स y एक्सिस, राइट? So let us say draw at first the point, and the point is at first 1 comma 1. So now let us say, suppose if this is 1 comma 1, then it says 8 comma 10. So let us say that this point is 8 comma 10, and it says via 4 comma 6. So now let us say somewhere here this is 4 comma 6, right? Now let's say that this point has name A, this point has name B, and this point has name C. We have to go to A to C but via B. That is the condition. We cannot go without going to B. So अब हमारे पास क्या है कि हम एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड आ सकते हैं टुवर्ड्स y एक्सिस. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? वी कैन गो इधर 1 comma 1 to 2 comma 1, or we can go to 1 comma 2. So this will goes like 2 comma 1, or this side it will goes like 1 comma 1. So now let us first of all check that from here to here how many horizontal or vertical distances will be there. Let us say now this is 1 comma 1. Draw an rectangular path, or you can say rectangular grid. So now you can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in y axis we reach 10, and in x axis this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. So here is the point 8 comma 10, right? And somewhere in between here will be 4 comma 6. So where will be 4? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So this is basically the 4, right? And where will be 6? This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this point will be basically 4 comma 6. Now first we have to go to 4 to 6, and then we'll go 8 comma 10. So as you can see, just this is basically based a coordinate geometry questions, but we can solve using PNC also. अगर आप लोगों को याद होगा ऐसा क्वेश्चंस कभी आप लोगों ने किया होगा, राइट? So now let us count there are how many horizontal path and how many vertical paths. So as you can see, from going 1 to 4 there are how many vertical path? So the vertical path is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we'll reach this point, right? So the total vertical path is 5 from 1 comma 1 to 4 comma 6. How many? So let's say one vertical path is represented by V, so total there are 5 V's, right? And horizontal path is 1, 2 and 3. So the horizontal path is how much? 3. So that means what? Total there are 8 paths. So how we can arrange that 8 path? So that we can arrange in 8 factorial, but as because the 5v and 3h are identical, so we will divide it by 5 factorial into 3 factorial, right? Now so the value will be this, we can write 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, right? Divided by this is 5 factorial into this, we can write 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 factorial cancel out, 3 2s are 6 cancel out. So what we got is 8 7s are 56. Now we'll see that now we have to go to 4 comma 6 to 8 comma 10. So let us say how many V's are there. So as you can see from this point to this point, so this is 1 vertical, 2 vertical, 3 vertical and 4 vertical. So V are 4, and how many horizontal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the h is also 4. So here will be also the number of ways. If you look at the number of ways will be again 8 factorial. So we can write it 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial into 4 factorial we can write it, or we can write it 4 into 3 into 2, and at last is 1. So 4 factorial will get cancelled out, 4 2s are 8 will get cancelled out, 3 will get cancelled out by 2, and we are left with 7 2 is a 14 into 5, that is 70. So now we have to find out the total ways. So as we know that the total ways will be a to b. If this point is a, this is b, and this is c. So a to b and b to c, as because this is and, that means what, we will multiply both the ways, that is 56 into 70, or we'll get 3920. So this will be our required answer. So the answer will be 3920 ways. In 3920 ways, anyone can reach from 1 1 to 8 10 via 4 6. I hope so this will be clear. So that's all for today. The next questions we will discuss tomorrow. Keep watching, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed earlier, and please share as much as you can. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.